A lot of the price controls are business to business. So actually the customer is itself a business that has a balance sheet and things like that. That's another, a little known fact about price controls. A lot of it's business to business. So it's not about, clearly it's not about protecting naive people from paying too much. These are very sophisticated parties, and one of them wants to get an advantage over the other, so they go to the government and say, please put a limit on how we deal with each other. Stop my competitors from competing with me, please. This is typical. Good. Yeah, we had a good discussion today. We'll let Tyler and Jaja get up here for the homework. Yeah.
Do you have notes or like working paper on this, just like you did with the first lecture? Or?
Well, you got these on the Canvas, the PowerPoint.
Yeah, the PowerPoint.
And then there's quite a bit longer paper that follows the same principles called pricecontrols.chicagopricetheory.com. And it looks at quality in more dimensions. This is a much simpler version that covers a lot of the ground with a lot less analysis, basically taking chapter 11. And this will be a chapter one of these days, in edition number